Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So solve this question first and comment your answer. Okay, if your answer is correct, then I will like your comment. Okay, so 11 minus 11 is equal to 10. 11 minus 11, sorry, 11 minus 1 is equal to 10, then 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Now 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. Okay, but this answer is not correct. Comment your answer, what answer you get. Okay, now let's solve this problem correctly by using PEMDAS rule. First priority is parenthesis, second exponent, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 11 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, now here is multiplication and here is subtraction. Both have equal priority. Sorry, here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so now 11 minus 1 multiply 10 is equal to 10. Now 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. Okay, so the correct answer is 1. If you got this answer, please like the video and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel.